Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to sausage corn omelette that loved by whole family. Hope you like it. This omelette is easy to make and can be prepared in just a few steps. It is very suitable for making at home during busy workdays. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: sausage, corn, eggs. Think sliced sausage. Crack eggs into bowl and beat until frothy. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, stir-fry sausage until fragrant. Add corn. Add egg liquid and let bottom solidified. Place egg into another flat plate. Turn the plate upside down and place the eggs back the wok. This way the omelette can be kept intact. Of course, a chef who knows how to pass the pot doesn't have to do this like me, haha. Plate omelette. Let's eat. This omelette tastes good with turmeric flavor and aromatic. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Like other colorful plant-based foods, turmeric is rich in phytonutrients that may protect the body by neutralizing free radicals pollution, sunlight and shielding the cells from damage. Diets rich in plant-based foods are associated with prevention of medical conditions such as cancer and heart disease. Is it good to take turmeric every day? Research indicates that turmeric doses of 500 to 10,000 milligrams per day may be effective. However, high doses are not recommended long-term. Who should not use turmeric? High doses of turmeric could have a blood-thinning effect. If taken on top of prescribed anticoagulants, this could increase the risk of dangerous bleeding. People with liver or bile duct problems should not take turmeric supplements, as they can increase bile production. Cooking with turmeric shouldn't cause problems. Does turmeric have side effects? While turmeric is safe for most people when enjoyed into your food, if you are allergic to the spice, eating it may cause a rash, hives, or abdominal pain. What cannot be mixed with turmeric? Taking turmeric alongside medications that can harm the liver, such as amiodarone, methotrexate, some seizure medicines, and tetracyclines, may increase the risk of liver damage. Talk with your healthcare provider to determine if any medications you are taking can cause liver damage. Is it okay to eat eggs every day? Because of their numerous benefits, it's okay to eat one whole egg, including the egg yolk, every day if you don't have cardiovascular disease and you do have a healthy level of blood cholesterol. Or you can mix 2 egg whites with every egg yolk to give yourself more protein. Is 2 eggs a day too much? For most healthy adults, it's safe to eat 1 to 2 eggs a day depending on how much other cholesterol is in your diet. If you already have high cholesterol or other risk factors for heart disease, it may be best to eat no more than 4 to 5 eggs per week. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.